If you've just seen the F13 error code Whirlpool washing machine pop up, and your laundry is stuck inside with a locked door that refuses to cooperate, you're really not the only one. That moment of pressing start and hearing nothing, followed by a mysterious error code, can be incredibly frustrating. Especially when all you wanted was clean socks, not a puzzle to solve. Let's make sense of what your washer is trying to tell you. The F13 error code Whirlpool washing machine message usually means there's a problem with the door. Not something major or mechanical at first glance, just that the machine thinks the door isn't closed properly. A damp cloth can do wonders if there's soap residue, dust, or even just leftover fabric softener causing the sensors to misread the door's position. While you're at it, check if the drum is overloaded. Either way, you're closer to clean clothes than you think. A heavy pile of clothes pressing against the door from inside can stop it from sealing all the way, even if it looks closed from the outside. Sometimes, it really isn't. Other times, the lock mechanism is just dirty or confused. And every now and then, well, we'll get to that in a second, try turning off the machine completely, either by unplugging it or switching off the breaker, and leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes. That break can clear any temporary electrical hiccup. After turning it back on, close the door gently and try your wash cycle again. Before diving into complex ideas or calling for service, try this. Open the door, take a good look at the latch area, and give it a gentle clean. Now, here's the part that gets overlooked way too often. Sometimes the lock just needs a reset. But what if the error returns? It might be that the door lock mechanism itself is faulty. These small parts wear out over time, especially in machines that get a lot of use. If that's the case, you'll likely need to replace the lock. The good news, it's a fairly common repair, and once swapped out, your washer usually goes back to working like nothing ever happened. So next time the washer refuses to cooperate, remember, it might just be a smudge on the lock, a bit too much laundry, or a tired little latch asking for a break.